We are pleased to show you the 2013 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control, power outlets, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.